despite the continuous development of the military-industrial complex worldwide, certain types of military equipment have remained in service for decades. The reasons for this can range from satisfactory technical performance and ease of production to familiarity and experience gained through full combat operations. This trend also applies to military aviation, with approximately 15,000 combat aircraft currently in operation around the world. The United States leads with the largest number of combat aircraft, boasting 2,826 planes. China comes in second with 1,624, and Russia follows closely behind with 1,591, though its number has decreased in recent years. Today, we would like to showcase these impressive aircraft and guide you with a glimpse into their capabilities. So sit back, relax, and subscribe as we take you on an exciting journey into the world of military aviation. F-16. Since its debut in 1979, the F-16 has been a fourth-generation multifunctional light fighter that remains one of the most advanced combat vehicles to this day. Recently, the company unveiled an updated version of the F-16 Viper, showcasing the fighter's continued evolution. However, the F-16's time may be limited as Lockheed Martin is developing the fifth-generation F-35 fighter, set to replace the F-16 in the near future. The F-16 is capable of solving a wide range of combat missions, gaining superiority in clearing airspace, close support and strikes with high-precision weapons, aviation reconnaissance, and suppression of enemy air defenses. F-18. The F-18 is a fourth-generation American jet fighter with advanced onboard equipment. Its development was based on the single-seat fighter YF-17 prototype, and it entered service with the US Navy in 1983. This aircraft features a mid-position trapezoidal wing, two-keel plumage, and a retractable tricycle landing gear. Equipped with automatic carrier landing, radar warning, laser designator, and panoramic camera, the F-18's armament includes a built-in Vulcan cannon and 9 external suspension units, which can carry up to 7 tons of combat load. Its modular system allows for versatility in completing various combat missions, with the ability to be re-equipped within 2 hours for a different objective. Overall, the F-18 remains an impressive fighter aircraft known for its adaptability and advanced features. Su-27. Developed by the Sukhoi Experimental Design Bureau in 1969, the Su-27 was created in response to the US F-15 Eagle fighter development. Although early prototypes were inferior to the F-15, the chief designer, Mikhail Simonov, worked to develop the Su-27 into one of the best air superiority platforms of the 20th century. This large, long-range interceptor, powered by twin turbofans, boasts impressive maneuverability for its size, flying at over twice the speed of sound, with a service ceiling of over 11 miles and a range of over 3 tons. The Su-27's armaments include air-to-air missiles with radar or infrared homing, unguided air-to-ground rockets, conventional and cluster bombs, and a cannon that fires 30mm explosive projectiles. This formidable fighter remains an impressive feat of engineering and a significant player in military aviation. F-15. The F-15 is a highly successful US aircraft that dominated the skies from the 1970s to the early 2000s, boasting over 1,000 aerial victories with no confirmed losses to enemy aircraft. It was designed as a tactical fighter to achieve and maintain air superiority through high maneuverability, modern weapons and avionics, and a wide range of available speeds and flight altitudes. It can detect, track, and autonomously attack enemy aircraft over hostile territory. The F-15's configuration allows one pilot to effectively engage in air combat, and its development program was driven by the need for a maneuverable fighter in the best traditions of the P-51 Mustang and F-86 Sabre. MiG-29. Super maneuverable, reliable, and well-armed MiG-29 is considered one of the best fourth-generation aircraft. The MiG-29 fighter jet is known for its innovative design, being the first in Soviet aviation to feature a smooth pairing of the wing and a fuselage in the mid-1970s. This design allowed for a higher lift, which was complemented by 2 RD-33 bypass turbojet engines that provided exceptional vertical maneuverability, enabling the aircraft to climb almost vertically like a rocket. The MiG-29 was also equipped with new weapons, including the R-73 melee missiles with a thermal homing head, which are still considered one of the best in their class today, and are specifically designed for fourth-generation Soviet fighters. But perhaps the most significant achievement of MiG-29 was the weapons control system. For the first time in world aviation, it included, in addition to the traditional airborne radar station, an optical location system and a helmet-mounted target designation system. Eurofighter. The Eurofighter Typhoon, a fourth-generation agile fighter, was developed as part of the Future European Fighter Aircraft Program, a cooperative effort between Great Britain, Germany, Italy, and Spain, but France later withdrew. The modified Eurofighter had its first demonstration flight on March 27, 1994, and was named Typhoon a year and a half later in September 1998. Over 1,000 aircraft have been produced, supplied not only to the participating countries, but also to the Middle East and Southern Europe. Su-25. Another Soviet aircraft known all over the world. The Su-25 is a subsonic armored attack aircraft, which is also known as the Rook. It is an example of an aircraft that does not have modern technologies, but this absolutely does not prevent it from being widely used throughout the planet. Because the Su-25 remains a relatively inexpensive and effective way to destroy ground targets from the air. The popularity of the Su-25 does not subside even today. It is regularly upgraded so that the attack aircraft can keep up with the times. Chengdu J-7. The Chengdu J-7, a licensed version of the Soviet MiG-29, is a remarkable example of how a replica can be just as good as the original. Produced for almost 50 years from 1965 to 2013, the J-7 has become a staple in many air forces around the world, serving as an interceptor aircraft. Its longevity is a testament to its impressive design and performance capabilities, as well as the reliability and efficiency of its production process. Despite being a licensed version of the MiG-29, the J-7 has undergone significant upgrades over the years, including improvements to its avionics and weapon systems. This has allowed it to remain relevant and effective in modern combat situations. Today, the People's Liberation Army Air Force continues to operate the J-7, showcasing its enduring legacy as a highly capable supersonic fighter aircraft. F-5. The F-5 Freedom Fighter is a twin-engine supersonic combat aircraft with a main task to attack ground targets. Two modifications, the F-5A Fighter as well as the F-5B Trainer, are part of the U.S. Military Assistance Program. Therefore, it is the F-5 Freedom Fighter that is being actively supplied as a modern low-cost combat aircraft into service with European and Asian countries that are allies of the U.S. Su-24. The Su-24 is a legendary Soviet frontline bomber with a digital navigation and attack system, capable of performing combat missions in all weather conditions. Su-24 was the first aircraft in the Soviet Union with an integrated digital navigation and attack system. It is still in service with several countries, including Russia, Syria, Ukraine, and Azerbaijan. Thank you for tuning in today. We would love to hear your thoughts and opinions on the list we've presented, so please don't hesitate to share your comments below. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content. See you soon!